This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeremy Taylor. Discover a great opportunity to build a home in the vibrant community of Port Salerno, renowned for its rich maritime heritage and close-knit charm. This vacant lot, ideally situated just moments from a local boat ramp, offers quick access to the tranquil waters of the Manatee Pocket and beyond. The property provides a blank canvas for creating a coastal retreat in Martin County. Enjoy the convenience of being near waterfront dining and entertainment. Whether you're drawn to boating, fishing, or simply embracing the laid-back ambience of this historic fishing town, this lot presents an exceptional opportunity to live the casual lifestyle you've always desired. For more information, review the details below.